Hi, Zimbabweans. I just thought I'd come on here and just do a very quick video. So on 18 April next week, Zimbabwe turns 46 years old since its independence in 1980. And you can imagine, at 46, most of us, we are in the legal age of maturity. We can claim to be mature. And I actually starting to really think about retirement, really. But not for Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe at 46 is still learning to walk. It's still operating at the hands of those that continue to decapitate it, those that continue to break its knees, even as it's learning to walk, that it can't even move very far, in spite of having, so much in terms of resources, the minerals, the land, the weather, everything that works in its favor. They continue to work against it. And this most recent act that is being done by the government of Zimbabwe, that they are trying to pass the constitutional amendment bill number 3. And this bill, I think critically, will mean that us as Zimbabweans, we lose our right to choose our presidents. I know that right at the moment is not quite the way it should be, but we at least should be working towards rectifying that, not making it worse. And this bill is taking away our right to choose our own president. This bill means that the incumbent, the existing president today, whom most of us didn't even vote for, wants to extend the term to 2030. This is a dangerous precedent, not only for our country, it's a dangerous precedent, even for the region. And what I am asking is for Zimbabweans in the UK, please, let's get together on 18 April 2026 at the Zim Embassy, Zimbabwe House, which is at 429 The Strand in London. Please come through. Listen, guys, some people will say, let's do what difference does it make? Trust me, like doing nothing equals nothing. If you're gonna just stay at home and just complain to your friends and just feel the pain in your heart and not do anything, nothing equals nothing. But if we can try to do something, if we can come together and show the world and raise our voices to say that on this day, us as Zimbabweans, we're not happy with the situation in our country. We're not happy, especially about the constitutional amendment bill number 3, which we're terming CAB 3, and we're not happy about that, then let's come together and speak up and say something. Let it go on record. I wanted to go on record that I, Chennai, on this day, I registered my concern and I said, I'm not happy and I don't want this to happen. And I think you should do the same. Let's come out. And when we get together, right, it encourages us to continue to think about how and what we need to do. Listen, I'm 46 this year. In a few years' time, we're handing over. I will be retiring from work. We're letting the next generation come in and we're leaving them this mess. At least let's give it a go. Let's give it our best shot. Let's try and make sure that even in 20 years' time, when they look back, they'll know that we said something, we did something, we got up and we acted. And that's what this is about, right? Because to lose the right to choose a president, let that sink in. These are the things that we were fighting for in 1980. These are the things that, it's not even a thing. Like right now in 2026, it's inconceivable that there's such a suggestion that will take us back at least 46 years. And we really need to say something. Listen, at the moment, why are we doing this in the UK? You look in America, they've got ICE knocking on their doors. People cannot really come out. You look at what's happening, the xenophobia attacks happening in South Africa. People cannot really come out. But here in the UK, we have that right to speak up. We have that right to gather freely, and we must we must exercise it. Let's do something we've never done before and come together and register our concerns. Thank you. 18 April at Zimbabwe House at the Strand in London. See you there.